Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on weekly recommendations in the Worldpackers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the smiling face button at the top of the page on the left. And then if you scroll down at the settings section, click on the notifications button. And at the notifications about hosts section, look for the weekly recommendations button. And if you want to receive notifications on the best vacancies in relation to your favorite countries, then just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turns blue, the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.